The forearm plank with resistance band pull is a core strengthening and stability exercise. The movement is similar to a single arm pull down completed in a plank position. To get started, anchor a resistance band low on a solid structure such as the post of a squat rack. While facing the post, grab the other end of the resistance band with one hand, then move back a few feet so there is still slight resistance on the band when you fully extend your arm. There should be no slack on the resistance band when your arm is fully extended. Get into a forearm plank position with your forearms planted into the floor, elbows directly below your shoulders. The wider your foot placement, the easier the exercise is, so if you want to make it more difficult, use a narrow foot placement. Contract your core, then raise the arm holding the resistance band off the floor, then pull the resistance band back towards your shoulders. Feel a good contraction in your lats, then fully extend your arm, ensuring you keep your hips and shoulders parallel to the floor. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch sides and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.